Things are pretty bleak right now, so let me try to briefly break up any negativity on your FYP to teach you about a cool, little-known parasite. And I really mean little known because I study parasites and I didn't even know about this until like a month ago. This is a dicyemid, a microscopic marine parasite that infects a pretty niche environment. They only infect cephalopods, specifically the renal appendage of cephalopods. The renal appendage or renal organ is basically just the octopus version of a kidney. One interesting thing about dicyemids is that, like some other microanimals out there, they exhibit a trait called eutyly. Eutyly is when an organism has a fixed number of cells. For larger animals like us, our cells are constantly dividing or dying off. We never really have the same amount of cells at any given point. But for animals with eutyly, that they get what they get. In the case of dicyemids, they have about 20 to 30 cells. That's it. It's still a little bit of a mystery of where they fit in a taxonomic tree of life. Some molecular studies have them more closely related to things like orthonectids, which I talked about as my last post before the TikTok ban. Other molecular studies show that they're actually more closely related to nematodes, so who knows? An even bigger mystery is their life cycle. We really don't know how they complete their full cycle. We do know that multiple species can infect those renal appendages of octopuses, and that multiple species of dicyemids can be found in one host. There's also 2 different types of larvae that can be found with these guys. But in regards of how they infect a new host, how do the babies get into a new octopus, we haven't figured that out yet. It's just another very cool mystery waiting to be solved.